Kublai pi baro ni pedang sampai pi seketuk kubor tak kejan me cuan pas ki kubor bebnya pe cuai kemat berkongsan. Ajin keren Menteri Rang Badu Keriu Narendra Modi ki arteli ki jingan lang yalap election hasilong batura. Pen pau jing snow scam unong yalam barang ba kaseng BJP uba AL hack ba kaseng BJP kan job la kumno khatsan teli ki syuki. Pen pau jing snow scam national president kaseng NPP Conrad ke sangma bagi periuk kindang yai shania kaseng NPP. Bat kentat Vice President kaseng BJP Meghalaya lor ke jengkeno pa kaseng BJP kalaban khang ke jimbam dok masih ha kejela. Ki khubor ki babnya Menteri Rang Badu Keriu Narendra Modi ulai wer ki nong song snong ke jela Meghalaya banjit ki kampen roy na ke jingsen syar ha layen. Haba ajin keren ha ke jingelang pat ba na ke bentak ke election ha kendai lat shilong ula ong ba unsa siu keliang ya kajeng it pa kajeng burom ka ba ula yo ni pat ba ka jela Meghalaya da ka ba un pen kloy ya ki kampen roy ha ka jela ula ong ba unsa bu hakmat ya ki jeng don kam jong ka jela da ka ba benrap ba ka seng BJP kala nangkiu ha ka than chate la mi ngi ka jela Meghalaya ru ka don kam ya ka sarkar ka ba bu hashwai ki nong song shnong ban ya ka sarkar ka ba bu hakmat hi kam yen kam sem Ula keno badon katu kat ni ki beriu ke penlong ke Meghalaya bandon ya ke sarkar ke bakmi iki kam yeng kam sem bat ki ba ai ke jing kongsan ban ya dai ke jing yo jing mentoy jong kishimen umudi ula ongru bakathan chate la mingi kala long ke bor ke baklan na ka daw ke jing penlong kongsan jong ke sarkar pedeng kamashwa la penlong ya ke road show kat ba ki pat ba ki yeng haparo arliang surok pan pidang burom yu Menteri Rang Badu Keri ubala kawek ti ki pat ba Umudi unsa ai jing keren ru ha kejing lang pat ba ka benlong hatura menta kesngi ha kejing don lang ubernat marak bat ki wede kinong yalam
आज मेघालय की मजबूती मेघालय की स्थिरता मेघालय में शांति का प्रतीक बन गया है भाइयों और बहनों बीजेपी सरकार का ये निरंतर प्रयास रहा है कि मेघालय के ट्राइबल कल्चर यहाँ के म्यूजिक यहाँ की भाषा का प्रचार प्रसार हो
Uhe nong yalam barang ba kaseng BJP uba AL hack nen kesngi ula penpau biang ya kejeng angno jong u ban yalam ya ke sarkar sinrop ka ban kli da kaseng BJP ha kejela lada kaseng ke ibet yo u ban shim ya ke benta haba penpau ke jing so scam ba kaseng ka job la kumno khat santeli ki shuki ha ke election ban wan uba hek ula ong baha ka sien beningkong kaseng BJP ke jela kan ya khon na baro han riu phau teli ki constituency Ula kamba kaseng ka don jingkermen banjab palat lai phau teli ki shuki batlada ka BJP kala banjab tang marshiteng ya kani ka balong khatsan teli ki shuki ka BJP kala thikna ban yalam ya ka sarkar banwan ha ka jela haba juba phalor ka jingkeli hatu onlong ne em ku Menteri Rang Ba na kaseng BJP ha Meghalaya uba hek ula ong bokloi ban kit ya kani ka lingkor hinre ka shongpat ha karai jong kaseng kmi
So we have seen wherever we go they've seen that a lot of the acceptability of the BJP today. Not only in the urban area, nor in Shillong particularly. I've seen it even in the rural areas. BJP is a very structured party, a very organized party, and also a disciplined party. Right? Any decision taken by the central, we have to follow. That's all only I know. So BJP tomorrow, if they take in my name, I will not deny. I'm ready to take any responsibility if the BJP has given to me.
O National President kaseng National People's Party Conrad ke sangma ula penpau ke jing so scam bagi patba kin penne e ka jinget ha kaseng NPP ha kani election. Uni unong yalam kaseng NPP ula let sak lengki constituency ke jela ban yalap na ka bentaki kertong jong kaseng jong u
in that process of conveying the message, sometimes you do, the moment takes over, and you say things, but that's how it is, because you believe in what you're saying, and you believe in what you want to do. So that's fine. That happens in politics. But I always say that, number one, we have this is not a new situation. It happens every time. We have fought elections every time against all political parties, because our principle is that we go to the people with a ideology, and we ask them to vote for us. If we're not able to get the numbers, then it leaves the political parties to then sit together and sort out how to form a government that will be able to serve at least major part of the goals.
Kajing nyaw kong san tempat kajing penpau ki kam kan om yarap ekaseng BJP ban yok kuri kisuki ha Meghalaya. Unong yalam ke TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ula penpau kajing kermen ba kaseng jong u ka AITC kan sala ban yok kajing jap ka Papura. Hakawai pat kaliang u Vice President jong ke TMC Uzenit Sangma. Ulai thu lupa ba kaseng TMC kan sa job na ki Arpo Teli ki constituency Hagaru Hills. Wat lau laya le ban ya laj na ki jengelang pat ba ke belapen long da kaseng BJP ken thup ki jengelang pat ba menteri rang ba du kari u Narendra Modi u Amit Shah lani ke jong menteri rang ba ke jela Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma.
That BJP is expecting to probably have candidates winning the seat. Tell me. Okay, just because they have just create that whole visibility by branding with the whole rhetoric. Okay, BJP for Meghalaya, Modi for Meghalaya. Come on, yeah. People of Meghalaya have. Please remember one thing. The spirit of democracy talks about the core values of democracy, which revolves around, the spirit of the Constitution. Of the people, by the people, for the people.
I'm telling you, from out of 24...
Vice President kaseng BJP Meghalaya Bernard Marak ulakan tat ya kejeng kenok ba kaseng BJP kalaban khang kejeng bam dok masih ke jelada ka baong baka deka call shore jong ke Meghalaya ulakan tat ru ya kejeng ka bami na kejeng pentere kami ke Assam Cattle Preservation Bill Arhajar Arpwe ka bakhang kejeng penyap ke masih ula ongru baka BJP kala do jing shania yo Conrad Sangma da ka baong bo president kaseng NPP u Conrad Sangma ula kala jinglong na do bo lashimti kum menteri rang ba ka jela.
I would not say it was a mistake, but we had very high hopes. We had confidence in Conrad Sangma. I was also the one who voted for him, who campaigned for him. The Conrad Sangma, whom we are seeing today, is not the same Conrad Sangma who was 5 years ago. He has changed a lot. In spite of 28 cases being slapped on me, I'm standing here today contesting against him. With immense support from the central leaders, we are under the provision of the Constitution, that is 6th schedule. So we have to understand the 6th schedule in order to defend ourselves. So BJP is not in making any move to violate that provision.
U President kaseng TMC Meghalaya bot bedeiru kurtong na nong tmai constituency u ba Charles Pengro mata kasngi ula penlong ka jingyat pat ba ka ba he ban pen I ka jingklan bor jung ha ka constituency ha ka ni ka rally lais nok tilang daki ars pa angut kinong nya thuk thuk bat palat sans pa angut ki brio ki bana kasnong lapalang bat ki benta ba marjan. Habia keren bagi nong thok kubor uba Charles Pengro ula keren sepang ki mat rekam ba ula ong ba kaseng kan ya le ban pen urlong ya barok ki mat ki bakala kan thop ka mat rekam jong kaseng bat kan pentikna ba kan long ka sarkar ka bakhuit bat ka balat na ka jing bam sap hapo ka jela lada ka wan ha ka bor ula kan turu I ki brio bakin thep ka kaseng jong u lada ki kwa ka jingkala ha ka jela Meghalaya.
Ngakwa baka rally ke jongi kanlong ke rally amban pini.
You've seen our manifesto which we have released, including our 10 pledges. We will stick by that and make sure that once we come into power, we will ensure a transparent and corruption-free governance for the interests of the people. Send a message to everybody to come and join us. Work with us, give us your support, and we shall make a difference.
Magistrate ke East Khasi Hills District UCB Chakrabarti Sadhu minta kesngi ulapan mi ya ke hukumat penrekam ya ke section Chis Pak Sau Pusau CRPC ke perkheng ya ke yat ke yang jung ki beri hopok ke 10 kilometer na ke kaput India bat Bangladesh ke bahap hopok ke East Khasi Hills District na duk ke ar Pusau terik urimpang haduk ke ar terik ulber minta usnem kini kehukumkan sedang terekam na duk minta kesngi bat kan yai terekam haduk banda penmi da kumoi pat ke hukum mentangi pek kejeng long jaman kesui bidang Shillong kejeng shit kalong 8.9 degree Celsius kejeng kriat kalong 4.8 degree Celsius kejeng sngam kau hau kalong riupun riu na keshis pa men sep nyopuai na keshis pa janmit kelak bendon kejeng hap slap malu-mala ki katukan ni kejaka Haswa bingin pin mau pi bingin kubor na lor ka pi ki television pilar ban pe live ki YouTube channel jang ka DD News Shillong nak benta ki kubor ba malakas ni pilar ban pe ki kubor jang ka DD News Shillong ha ka Instagram Facebook ba Twitter Shaban poi jang bakut jang tu kubor ngin pe biang sisian ki mat ba kongsan Ai jengkeren Menteri Rang Baduk Keri Narendra Modi ki artli ki jeng lang yelap election ha Shillong Batura. Pin pau jing sngo scam unong yelam barang ba kaseng BJP uba AL hek ba kaseng BJP kan job la kumno khatsan teli kisuki. Pin pau jing sngo scam national president kaseng NPP Conrad K Sangma bagi beriu kendang yai shanya ha kaseng NPP. But kintai vice president kaseng BJP Meghalaya lor ka jengkeno ba kaseng BJP kalaban khang ke jeng bam dok masih ha kejela. Kumanjun penken mau ka Meghalaya kan tap vote ka ar punyo terik urimpang. Nakaliang kadu darshan ngi kintu ya paro kinong pet pan pendon kam hok ya ka hok tap vote but pendon bentalang ha ka senjar pai ba ti parlok da kitu kubor la pois ab ko jang tup kubor ti meta ka janmiet hadu mende champion pila shaga sing play pi paro